Buddy, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you're safe and healthy. If you are new to this channel and looking for important INBDE, NBDE Part 1 questions with answers, you are at the right location. So before I continue this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel to watch every video that I post pretty much daily. So let's start. So the first slide will show you all the answers that I had in my previous video. So pause this video and compare your answers. Moving to the next slide. And moving to the third and last slide. All right. So this last slide will show you again 10 unsolved questions. So please pause this video and spend some time to find the answers. And I give you the answers in my next video. So please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get all the important question answers for your exam. Bye for now.